Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Monad update for you guys. Monad looking extremely bullish, Monad looking fantastic here. Just consolidating just under the ICO price at 0.223137 cent. Just under the Coinbase ICO price. Again, truly bullish on Monad. Volume looking great, even though it's down 22%. Volume is almost half of its market cap, right? Market cap 242.3 mil. And volume 102.64 mil, right? Again, like I stated in my previous videos, I think Monad is going to be a fantastic layer 1, great altcoin, fantastic altcoin for the year of 2026. Happy New Year, guys. We've just started off the year. I think this year will be Monad's year, right? As I said in previous videos, I think anywhere from 50,000 to 100,000 Monad is a great bet. Right now, it's only let me not say only. Right now, it's $2,237 for 100,000 Monad. And my price predictions have remained the same. They're not changed, of $1 to $3 per Monad, right? Why do I say this? Well, Gideon, you have not come back to my channel, but you said it's impossible for Monad to hit $1 because the max supply is 100 billion. Well, I rebutted and said, shout outs and love to Gideon, but I rebutted and said, if you're taking a look at the circulating market cap, Monad only needs to get to $10.83 billion in market cap to hit $1. And for it to hit $3, it has to get to like 30 to 35 billion circulating market cap, which would have the supply. The supply right now is 10.83. So at $1, right, $1 per Monad with the circulating supply, which doesn't change until November or December, somewhere around that range of this year, this will always stay close to 10.83. So for it to hit $1, it just has to get to 10.83 billion market cap before the massive token unlocks start, right? And Monad will still be bullish with the token unlocks, but it just has to get to $1 before that takes place, right? Nobody's here in the space. Nobody's here in crypto. No retail investors are here right now. We are the retail, right? And this is why we're going to be rewarded for being here when nobody else is here, right? Because, obviously in this year, I think this is going to be Monad's year. You could already take profits, take initials, get great profits before the unlocks happen. And then you start, you reassess your strategy when that takes place, right? So Monad just has to get to 10.83 billion market cap with the circulating supply, which is unchanged until the end of the year, to get to $1. And then it has to get to 35, 32, 33 billion for $3, right? Which is not far-fetched. A successful layer 1 getting to 33 billion in market cap is not far-fetched at all. It's really not, right? So that's why I have the $1 to $3 range, because it might not hit $3. It could just hit $1.76, $2.30, $1.20, right? That's why I have that range, right? But at $1, you take great profits at $1, because 50,000 to 100,000 Monad, right, is $50,000 to $100,000 at $1, right? Great trade. Fantastic trade, right? So yeah, Monad in a very great spot, very bullish. Let's take a look at the Twitter and see what other tweets we have for Monad here. 1.2 million followers. Fantastic. The future is bright. They posting the memes. This is the founder right here posting that party meme. I see that meme so much. 2026 is loading. We are here. Happy New Year, everyone. Let's take a look at Mon, see what the sentiment is like right now on X. Mon consolidating at resistance. Market is building structure. A confirmed breakout can trigger solid upside move from here. And I think that is definitely going to be the case. I think 2026 is going to be great for Mon. Oh, by the way, there's a possibility of this happening to Mon after the year end massive unlock in Q4 2026. So manage your risk accordingly. So I don't know what project this is, but again, token unlocks typically lead to negative performance in a project, but this is the risk we have to take with Monad, right? The crypto pioneer says, be careful, guys, manage your risk, have strategy, because by the end of the year, when the first massive unlock happens, that's going to be the biggest unlock, Q4 2026, right? That's going to be the biggest one. it could end result in a negative way. But this is the risk I'm taking. I'm betting on Monad performing extremely well before that takes place, right? Seems like a good bet to me. Then, you know what's probably going to happen? Retail investors are going to flood into the space at the end of the year, 2026. We're going to have a massive bull run in 2027, and the unlock might not even happen, might not even matter, right? That also could be the case. You never know. You really never know, right? So, Monad will melt faces, Mon to 10 cent before February 2026, and I think that is very, very possible. Like I said, I think we could see a 20 cent Mon, 18 cent Mon in January, right? So, very great stuff here from Mon. One of my favorite charts at the moment. Been strong past couple of days. Looks like your classic heavy selling into accumulation range into upside kind of chart. It's multiple longs at the moment. Let's get it. So we have someone that's putting a long, George One Trader for Mon. Right? Obviously, I'm a spot trader. I stick with spot. My leverage is meme coins. That's my leverage, right? So I'm betting on the meme coins in the Monad ecosystem. That's my leverage, right? So I just strictly spot, never touch leverage, never gonna be a leverage trader. But Monad right here looking for a great move up. Once George's TA plays out, we see a move up to 3 cent, and then there you go. That's a successful long trade, right? Or a successful spot trade as well, because people are buying Monad under 3 cent, under 5 cent will be in profit, right? In spot as well. And more than likely, the memes get a move up as well too, right? Monad goes up 10-20%. Some of the memes are going to go 100, 150, 200%, right? So, great spot for Monad. Looking, so you know, we're looking fantastic for the new year, man. Great start to the new year for Monad. And super bullish here. And appreciate all the comments, replies, you guys supporting the videos. I truly appreciate it. Keep it up. I really thankful for it. Really grateful for it. And we're gonna keep track. We're gonna keep an eye on Monad as this year goes by. As always, thank y'all so much for tuning in. None of this is financial advice. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.